The CJ-10, also widely referred to as the DH-10, is one of China's most prominent and advanced long-range land attack cruise missiles LACMs. Over the past 2 decades, China has gradually upgraded its missile arsenal, shifting from short-range and medium-range ballistic missiles to highly precise, stealthy, long-range cruise missiles capable of striking strategic targets with accuracy comparable to modern Western systems. The CJ-10 DH-10 represents a major technological milestone in China's missile modernization program. It provides Beijing with a flexible strike option that can avoid radar, fly at low altitudes, and deliver precision attacks against command centers, military bases, infrastructure, air defenses, ports, and high-value strategic assets. Its ability to travel hundreds or even thousands of kilometers makes it one of the most important weapons in the People's Liberation Army Rocket Force (PLA-RF). 1. Development background. China began serious work on long-range cruise missiles in the 1990s. At that time, the PLA recognized that future warfare would rely heavily on precision-guided, standoff strike weapons similar to the American Tomahawk. The Gulf War of 1991 demonstrated how cruise missiles could neutralize enemy infrastructure with minimal risk to friendly forces. The CJ-10's development is believed to have been inspired by several factors. 1. Need for long-range precision. China needed a missile that could strike distant targets without exposing aircraft or naval assets to enemy air defenses. 2. Shift towards intelligent warfare. Cruise missiles with GPS/INS guidance, terrain matching, and high accuracy allow China to engage high-value targets with minimal collateral damage. 3. A2AD strategy. An anti-access area denial A2AD strategy requires systems that can deter or delay foreign intervention. Long-range cruise missiles strengthen China's strike capability across the Western Pacific. 4. Technology maturation. Improvements in Chinese aerospace, guidance systems, satellite navigation, and engine development made long-range cruise missiles feasible. Formal testing for the CJ-10 is believed to have taken place around the early 2000s, with full operational deployment occurring sometime after 2007. Design characteristics and appearance. The CJ-10 DH-10 resembles many modern cruise missiles in overall shape. Long cylindrical body, small wings that unfold after launch, tail fins for aerodynamic stability, air-breathing turbofan engine with small air intake. The missile flies at subsonic speeds, but its strength lies not in speed, rather in stealthy, low-altitude flight using the terrain to avoid radar detection. 3. Range and performance. The estimated range varies depending on the model. Standard CJ-10, 1,500–2,000 kilometers. Extended range variants unconfirmed, up to 2,500–3,000 kilometers. This long range dramatically increases China's strategic reach. From mainland China, a CJ-10 could theoretically reach every U.S. base in Korea and Japan, India's northeastern region, entire South China Sea, Guam, with extended range variant. This places significant strategic and political pressure on opponents. 4. Launch platforms. One of the CJ-10's greatest advantages is its multi-platform compatibility. China has developed several ways to launch it. 1. Telephone launchers, land-based. The most common version is carried by 8x8 transporter erector launchers (TELs). Each truck typically carries 3 missile canisters and can quickly relocate after firing to avoid counterattacks. 2. Air-launched version, CJ-10K. The CJ-10K is believed to be used by aircraft such as H-6K bomber, future stealth bombers, rumored. This increases the missile's effective strike radius significantly because the aircraft provides launch altitude and speed. 3. Ship-launched version, CJ-10N, YJ-100. Newer Chinese destroyers and cruisers may be equipped with naval versions capable of vertical launch. 4. Submarine-launched variant, speculative. There are rumors of submarine-launched cruise missiles (SLCM) based on CJ-10 technology, but these are less confirmed. Role in potential conflict scenarios. In high-tension regions, the DF-16 is seen as a theater-level game-changer because it can deliver fast, precise first-strike attacks, cripple enemy air operations before they begin, disrupt naval movements, destroy critical infrastructure within minutes, overwhelm air defenses through speed and maneuverability. Its presence alone forces adversaries to invest heavily in missile defense systems, hardened shelters, mobile command units, and rapid response strategies. Evolution from DF-11 and DF-15. The DF-16 is a major upgrade over earlier Chinese SRBMs. Feature: DF-11, DF-15. DF-16. Range: lower. Higher, 700-1000 kilometers. Accuracy: moderate. Very high. Telephone: basic. Advanced mobile telephone. Survivability: limited. High. Warhead options: fewer. Multiple modern options. The DF-16 marks a transition from China's older generation of missiles to a new era of precision strike weapons. DF-16 variants. DF-16A Advanced Variant. The DF-16A features: improved terminal guidance, higher accuracy, enhanced MARV maneuverability, better penetration against defenses. This variant reflects China's continuous upgrades to its tactical and theater range missile capabilities. Cinematic visual scene optional for video use. Imagine this: a massive telephone vehicle moves slowly through a rugged mountain pass. The sky is dim, the atmosphere silent. The telephone halts. Hydraulic arms lift the launch tube toward the sky. Countdown begins. 3, 2, 1. A blinding flame erupts as the solid booster ignites. The ground vibrates. Dust explodes outward. The DF-16 shoots upward like a spear of fire. A symbol of speed, precision, and modern missile engineering. This scene alone captures the true power of the DF-16. Final conclusion: why the DF-16 matters. The DF-16 is not just another ballistic missile. It is a strategic theater-level asset that brings together range, accuracy, mobility, survivability, rapid launch capability. It represents the modern philosophy of China's rocket force: fast, precise, mobile, and highly survivable missile systems designed for real battlefield conditions. The DF-16 stands today as one of the most significant precision strike ballistic missiles in the Asian region and a key component of China's evolving military power. Strategic role in modern warfare. The CJ-10 is a key component of China's precision strike doctrine. Its strategic roles include: 1. Preemptive strike capability. It could be used to disable enemy airbases, radars, missile defenses, and command centers early in a conflict. 2. Anti-intervention weapon. Aimed at deterring foreign powers, especially the US, from operating near China. 3. Part of China's tri-service strike system. Joint operations between land, air, and sea forces dramatically increase survivability and flexibility. 4. Conventional precision attack. Allows China to carry out long-range attacks with minimal collateral damage. 5. Psychological and political influence. A long-range cruise missile serves as a powerful deterrent in geopolitical disputes. 10. Modern variants and improvements. China continues to improve the CJ-10 family, introducing CJ-10A. Improved range and accuracy, more advanced guidance. CJ-10B. Upgraded stealth shaping, electronic countermeasures ECCM, improved turbofan engine. Air-launched CJ-10K. Lighter and optimized for aircraft. Naval variants, compatible with VLS cells on large destroyers. These improvements suggest that China is moving toward a new generation of even more advanced cruise missiles. 11. Operational deployment. The CJ-10 is widely deployed across China. PLA brigades in Eastern Theater Command near Taiwan. Southern Theater Command, South China Sea. Northern Theater Command, Korean Peninsula. Central Theater Command, Strategic Reserve. China's large geographic size and mobile telephone launchers make it difficult for adversaries to track missile positions. 12. Global impact and strategic implications. The introduction of the CJ-10 has several international consequences. 1. Challenging U.S. dominance in the Pacific. China's growing precision strike capability puts pressure on U.S. bases and naval assets. 2. Regional arms race. Neighboring nations like Japan, India, South Korea, and Australia may invest more heavily in missile defense. 3. Increased A2AD threat. CJ-10 strengthens China's ability to deny access to its near-seas region. 4. Greater geopolitical influence. Long-range precision weapons enhance China's bargaining power in negotiations. 13. Conclusion. The CJ-10 DH-10 long-range land attack cruise missile is one of the most important pillars of China's modern military power. Its combination of long range, high accuracy, stealthy low-altitude flight, multiple launch platforms, precision guidance systems, gives the PLA a powerful and flexible strike capability. In modern warfare, where precision, speed, and survivability determine the outcome of conflicts, the CJ-10 stands as a symbol of China's rise as a technologically advanced military power. With continuous upgrades and new variants under development, the CJ-10 family will likely remain at the core of China's strategic offensive capability for many years to come.